Do you ever need to sort by months, but it sorts alphabetically instead of by the actual word, January, February, etc.? Well, let's look at how you can. So I have a list here, and you can see it's been sorted alphabetically by month, but doesn't quite go into the order I'd like to. So I don't want it really alphabetically. I'd like it sorted, but just not this way. So I click into a cell. Now you can see I have no blank rows or columns in my list. That's key to sorting easily. Then I go up to the sort and filter, click on the drop down, and I can choose the A to Z, but it's not going to sort right. So I'm going to go down to custom. And in custom, I can sort by month on cell values, but then it says A to Z, Z to A, or custom list. I click on custom list, and it comes up, and I have this list. I choose the matching, so long case, long, full word, rather than short word. And then I go OK, click on OK, and there we go. January is at the top, followed by February, March, etc. So it's in the right order. So if you'd like to see how to create your own custom list, then stay tuned, and the next video, it should be up here, should show you how to do that. If you found this video useful or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel to watch more of my videos, there'll be a link at the end, okay? And thank you so much. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.